In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your username on Robinhood. If you're looking to refresh your profile or simply want a username that better matches your brand, it only takes a moment. Start by opening the Robinhood app on your phone and logging in securely. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the changes save properly, and keep your device unlocked while you're working through this. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. It usually looks like a person's silhouette and takes you to your account hub. This is where you can view your account details, settings, and the personal info that appears on your public profile. At the top of your profile page, you'll see your current username. Go ahead and tap it. This will open the area where you can manage your username and personalize how you appear to other users. Next, tap Edit and then enter your new username. Keep in mind that usernames cannot contain spaces. If you're brainstorming options, aim for something short, recognizable, and easy to share. It's also a good idea to avoid sensitive personal information. Before you move on, take a second to double check the spelling. Small typos are surprisingly easy to miss and can be frustrating to fix later. If you see the option to choose a profile theme, feel free to pick one that suits your style. This is completely optional and won't affect your account functionality. It's simply a way to give your profile a little extra personality if the feature is available to you. When you're happy with your new username, tap Save to confirm the change. If the Save button doesn't activate, make sure your username meets the format requirements and that you've removed any spaces. After you tap Save, the app will apply your update. Once saved, your new username is updated immediately. You should see it reflected at the top of your profile right away, and it will appear anywhere your username is displayed within the app. If you ever decide to switch it again, you can follow these same steps to update it in the future. And that's it. You opened the app, went to your profile, tapped your current username, edited it, optionally chose a theme, saved your changes, and watched the new username appear instantly. Thanks for watching, and if this walkthrough helped, feel free to keep exploring more quick customization options to make your profile feel just right.